that for? Peyton. I have to repeat that for me. What you just say a while ago? What that means, Peyton? What? Peyton, what are you saying? You put on your slippers? Hmm? Can I help you? Can I help you?
No.
Why not? Alright, you could do it.
No.
So you want help?
Hmm?
You want help?
No, man. I want more.
Oh, you so nice. You so nice, Peyton. You,